Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to install and use Android client for distributed hash chain. We go to the installation link in the video description, click on download. It will take a few moments. Okay, download this file. Open it. Since we're installing it not from a Google Play Store, we have to install it manually. So we allow this installation only. Click OK and install. Open it, start it. We already have a backed up key file which contains private key, but if you don't have it, you will click no and it will generate that key file for you. In our case, we click yes. Then we select it. Enter a test password for demonstration purpose. Connecting to the network. What you see here is an address that you can send to somebody so they can send you coins or they can send you a secure message. When you're sending a secure message, you will enter recipient address, optional fee in Satoshi, and you can select when you want the message to expire, say 10 minutes, and then you send it. We're not gonna send it at the moment, but let's check our balance. Okay, we already have some coins. We can check. Let's find some posting. Let's say crypto with one keyword. Okay, so it has a Bitcoin magazine, crypto book. Let's say we search for books. We found something that we posted before. And in order to post, you click on create post. You enter the title of the post, description, and some keywords. For example, what we can enter. Let's say we want to sell, for example, Android phone. We put description. Android phone. And anything you want to add. Let's say the price. Let's say $500. And some information. Very good used phone. Put keywords. Let's say Android phone. Let's say used. I think that should be enough. Say create post. It creates it. Let's say find post. Phone used. Okay. So we found it. It will take time when it be included in the blockchain, then it will stay there and anybody can find it. Actually, let's see. Let's see. When you go to mempool, you can see pending transactions. These transactions include the message that you sent. The transactions are very small. It takes satoshis. It's 1 billion of a coin. So it's very cheap to send this posting. Similarly for secure messaging also. Let's see what else we have it. When you click on tools, you can change the password. You can show your address to see it again. We can import files, export files. We can show peers, view log for the debugging purposes. We can stop message listener so it doesn't consume resources if you're not using the application. But otherwise, you want to keep it running so you will receive messages from somebody else. When you're exporting file, it's a good idea after installation to export that key file in case you lose the phone or uninstall application. Because if you receive some funds, that's the only way to restore them. When you backed it up, you can even put on a different phone, install that application, import that key file, and you can continue using the same address, and your funds would be preserved. That's all, everybody. Thank you. Bye.